Mandai Boardwalk. Take MRT to Spring. Hi guys, good morning. It's hiking today, Mandai Boardwalk. So I took MRT to Springleaf. Then walking towards the bus stop. We take bus 138 to Singapore Zoo. Opening hours 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Last entry is 6 p.m. Let's follow the arrow sign. With Singapore Trail, hiking trail. Okay, this is the map. A to B. 70 minutes. B to C is 15 minutes. There's a lookout there to see. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, I'm here now at Mandai Boardwalk. But unlucky, but it's okay. It's a bit drizzling, so I use my umbrella. I'm just crazy of hiking, guys. How many weeks I didn't go hiking, so today is my best day. Finally hit in the hiking trail. Wow. Drizzling again, guys, but sunny. Raining but sunny. Huh? No toilet. Wow, nice guys, so nice to see. Yeah, see. Wow. I saw monkeys. my friends. Oh, I heard some here. Maybe I got a lot inside here. Nice flower. Wait first, ha? I think for Selator Reservoir Park. Banana tree. You see that? I found a turtle. Ah, on top of the stone. I found you. Hopefully I can find giraffe here. But I cannot. Maybe around here. Still cannot. Exit that way. Lookout point this way. So we check out the lookout point first. This is African palm oil. I just searched in Google. Finally, I'm here. The lookout point. Okay guys, walking back to the exit. Done already my hiking for today. 3 km Mandai Boardwalk. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next update. Bye bye.